Hello again, it's Lock Noob, and this is a PacLock PL410-Pro. If I just hold it there for you, can you see anything on the lock which might be a bit more exciting than some standard Lotto padlocks, lockout locks? Yep, it says 7-pin security, and here is the key, and you can see it's just that little bit longer, and just wow, look at that bitting. In fact, this is a gift from Daz Evers, so thank you, Daz, for this lock. I say thank you. Look at the bitting on that thing. Wow. So you can see you've got pin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and really high last pin and 7. I mean, have I seen more extreme bitting than that? I'll be honest, I'm not sure. That's pretty extreme. Feels light and rattly. Opens nicely. Ball bearing mechanism. I mean, these padlocks are designed so that they can't be opened easily just by somebody, you know, wiggling some tools on the inside of these. They're supposed to be for safety. They're supposed to signify that something shouldn't be used. It's locked out or tagged out. But they are made of plastic, so they're easy to break off if needs be as well. So it's weird kind of juxtaposition with these locks. Very strange. But so I've never picked a PacLock Lotto padlock. But well, let's just do it. Let's grab a vise, throw it in, and see if we can't pick a 7-pin PacLock. So here we are in the vise, and well, tensioning this is actually quite difficult in some ways. The keyway is seemingly quite open, but the warding on the inside means that just at the top there isn't very much room to really put anything in. I managed to find a tension tool which sort of sits at an odd angle at the top of the keyway, but you know what? If it works, well, it works. Let's just remind ourselves of that mad bitting. There we go. And let's have a go at seeing what we can do. So I've got this Sparrow's Lunatic. It's got a nice reach to it. And pin 1 needs a click. Pin 2 spongy. 3. Click. Oh, and a movement again on 3. 4, little click. Nothing on 5. 6, not sure. Leave that alone. Feels weird saying 7 on a lockout lock, but 7. And we are open. Oh, well, I'll tell you what, I felt a spool in there, and the only other thing I can say is the core was extremely floppy, very wobbly, and the springs seem very, very weak, like really spongy. Now, I don't want to open it much more than is required to open the shackle on this, just because some Lotto locks have holes in the back side of the core, and it will just spill all the pins out on the inside and make you a rattle, which you can only fix by actually breaking apart the plastic lock. So if you do pick one of these Lotto locks, I'm certainly not saying that this PacLock version does that, but certainly a lot of other ones do. Please don't over rotate the core. It's just not worth it. So yeah, when you've picked it, just pick it pick it back, otherwise you'll dump out all the pins. All right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time.